We're continuing work on the fuel delivery system. We got a new dual action fuel pump and we were trying to take the gas tank out to reuse it, but after looking at it, it's got a bunch of holes in the back so we can't use it. And just for reference, this is what a normal fuel sending unit looks like, and this is the one that it had in it. So we've replaced everything, and this is the new gas tank, and in today's video we're going to be replacing everything and putting all this new stuff in.
Welcome to Fixin Two. Fancy stuff? Did they send us posters?
No, I think it's just the way to secure the nozzle so it
Darn
doesn't
it.
get messed up. Helps to have Summit Racing 30 minutes down the road so we can go get our parts from them. I'll get 2 gaskets. Sweet.
Put that one on the truck. Probably end up using it. Now the math begins.
Explain how that works. You can.
I don't know how it works.
Normally you get sending units that are for the car itself and it's already the right size and fits everything, but I guess the one we got is actually more of a universal kind, so you have to measure, according to this, you have to measure how deep the tank is. 6 inches, so looks like a 6-inch tank depth. We need to cut it down to a little less than 4.5 inches, and then have to bend it
Actually, if we're
as
splitting
well,
hairs,
so
it's
you're making sure that you're
6 1/4.
getting all the depth of your tank so your fuel gauge reads correctly.
That's it. Cut right will be.
Okay.
Oh no. Being exact, 4.41?
Okay, here's
How
some.
about 4.5?
A little less than 4.5. You want to turn this decimal into a fraction, you can.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Where am I supposed to, like, does the length include the bopper?
Read the instructions and see what it says.
On length is 10 content, yeah.
Hold it on there and I can try to push it back.
Easy there. Let down some. Okay, a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. No, there's too much.
You want to come over there and help your brother?
Yeah.
Do you need an extra hand or something?
I'm not sure how much.
Or do I need to
it's gonna do?
give it a little bit of a jack? Will that help?
I think it will bend the tank.
Okay, we'll just watch the tank. Better watch the tank.
The tank's going in.
It's bending.
It's concave.
It's bending.
Okay.
So we got the straps on the gas tank, and now I'm just gonna put the fuel sending unit back in. I was thinking I could do that after.
Well, I don't know if you're gonna be able to.
It's also pretty corroded. We might need to clean it.
You can bend that just a little bit, the tab, but don't bend it too much. You don't want to break the tab.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take this up.
I performed sorcery the other day in front of Mom.
What did you do?
She lost a screw down in the sewing machine, and she didn't believe me that if you take a magnet and like rub a screwdriver on it, you like temporarily make it magnetized.
And you...
She didn't believe me, so I did it, and then I reached down in there and touched the screw that I needed, and it came out. Sorcery.
What was her reaction?
I mean, she can't give me too much credit, because then she would have to give me more credit later on, so she gotta be careful when she gives me credit, because then I come to expect it.
Mom?
Yeah.
In the implanting process.
When the back seat's out, you take advantage.
What's that supposed to mean?
You're sprawled out over the entire car.
No! Dang it. Let young minds figure this out. I'm
Young minds
fresh.
haven't been able to figure it out yet.
I'm figuring out better than old minds. Bye!
Lefty tighty, righty loosey.
It's the homeschool way.
Lefty tighty, righty loosey for those in the southern hemisphere, in Australia.
Don't say that ever again. I think we
The
just lost.
northern hemisphere.
I think we just lost.
For our Australian, like our 2 Australian viewers.
Nope, we just lost them. Yep.
Look at your toilet bowl water. When you flush it, it goes one way, and in the northern hemisphere, it goes the other way.
Oh my gosh!
You didn't know that?
No,
Yeah.
I think you're
That's
lying.
science.
I think you're
It's
lying.
I don't believe it.
Comment below if that's really true, please.
To our 2 Australian viewers, go flush your toilet, and then tell us if it goes clockwise or counterclockwise.
What are you doing?
Nope, lost it.
Oh, it wasn't even
Wow.
Yeah.
I blame that on you,
those,
Grandpa.
with those young eyes, yeah.
better than your old eyes.
I think the old eyes are better at this than the young eyes.
Old eyes have seen more than you have seen.
What does that mean?
Exactly
Scary.
what it says. My old
Scary.
eyes have seen more than you've seen.
Scary. You little devil. Got the fuel tank hooked up and we tried to pull fuel from it, but it wasn't pulling fuel. We hooked the electric fuel pump up to it and it still wasn't pulling fuel, so we thought there was a blockage in the tubes. So we got the air compressor and pushed it back the other way, and I think we unclogged it, and now we're gonna try to see if the regular fuel pump, the mechanical fuel pump, works. Okay, let's get started.
Already got.
While in the process of putting the fuel pump in and the gas tank and trying to pull fuel from those two components, we were trying to start it up and the starter wet the bed on us. So we took that out and got a new one. And yeah, cue the sound. It sounds a lot better. So now that we've gotten a new starter, we're going to continue working on trying to suck fuel from the gas tank. Okay, so the hope is that fuel will come through here, down the tube, and then out here. And if it starts coming out here, then we know it's good. But if it, comes through here and then doesn't get up to here, then we know there's something wrong with either the carburetor or the line. I was gonna say hose, but it's not rubber. Okay, ready? Let's do this. We're back here today with another fuel pump from Summit, and we really hope that that one was just bad and this one's gonna work. So I don't know the game plan as far as if we're just trying to get it started up and then go, or if we're just trying to see if it'll come out of the fuel pump up there. So which one are we doing?
What?
Are we just trying to get it to go up here, or see if it'll come out there?
I've got everything locked down, so we've primed everything we could possibly prime and
Are you ready?
see if it'll start pulling fuel on its own.
So I guess we'll just
Speak up, there's a lot of trucks out here.
I guess we'll say chalks away. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. Do you want me to hold the butterfly close? Or not? Dead.
I heard you, man. Just a second.
Okay. Chalks away. we finally got it to run on its own fuel system. It took a long time and it was just hard, and we finally got it to work. Comment down below, let us know where you want us to go next, and until then, like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.